Yahweh is so powerful and so strong that when his son comes, those who love the devil can tell right away he's here. And the devil, being true to himself, when he sees the sons and daughters of Yahweh coming to be in the presence of Yahweh, that old devil-minded person is not content to stay outside. He brings his old devil self right up here in the midst of the sons and daughters of Yahweh. He doesn't come to try to fool Yahweh ben Yahweh. Who does he come to fool? The sons and daughters. And what's so tricky about that devil is